Hi, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. So, I have to tell you a story. I've been living in this place for, I think 3 or 4 years now. 4 or 5 years now. And since I moved here, one of my neighbors has been terrorizing me. And it has been horrible. Constantly damaging my shop, damaging my tools, hiding things in the shop to damage the stuff. I have been injured several times by things hidden in the shop. My equipment has cost me hundreds of dollars to repair and replace equipment here. And I'm at my wit's end. So I've decided, instead of trying to rationalize things with these people, instead of trying to communicate with them, I have tried talking to them. I have tried everything that I can think of. I've even tried shooting some of their relatives. Nothing, I mean nothing, has worked. I am now giving up. They have won. I cannot fight anymore. I can't do it. I'm tired. So I went online, got on the Glowforge site, and decided instead of fighting, I'm going to try. I know this is not the right thing to do. I'm going to try appeasing the terrorists. I'm making them furniture. I'm making them beds. I made them a chair. I made them tables. Ooh, I broke the chair. May have to use some glue on that. Yeah. Looks like I'll need some Starbond and accelerator spray for that one. Some Starbond super glue and accelerator spray for that. I'm making them furniture. I'm making a couple of beds right now. I've got one bed here. I'm making another one now. I'm going to build them their own home, their own condo, right here in the barn. The squirrels have won. I'm outnumbered. There's more of them. They have meetings in the shop at night. They hide nuts in my tools. They've put nuts between the blade and the guard and the zero clearance fence. So when I turn the table saw on, the nut will wing around the shop and it'll hit me. They've hid nuts on my chop saw. So when you turn the chop saw on, the nut goes flying across the shop. It's broken the guard of my chop saw. They've hidden nuts underneath inside my planer, so like when the planer's cranked down to feet, they hide nuts inside the planer. Who hides nuts in a planer? They've got a whole building. You don't have to hide the nuts inside the power tools. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be screaming. Like I said, we're moving on to a happier place, and we're compromising with the terrorists. I mean, our new friends. We're going to make them furniture. We're going to find a way to coexist. I'm going to build them a cabinet where they can store their nuts, a nut storage facility, cold storage for winter. We'll label them, one for each month, so they know when they were harvested. Put expiration dates on them. We need a little printer so they can print out little codes, a little scanner, so they can scan the nuts in and out of inventory, something. We need to find a way to get along. Chipmunk just ran across my shop floor. We need to find a way to get along here without destroying the power tools. No more chewing the power cords. No more hiding nuts in the saws. I built you furniture. You hear me? This cabinet behind me. This cabinet is where I store a lot of my stuff. I broke my sign. Cabinet's where I store a lot of my stuff. They've chewed a hole through my cabinet. Stick my hand up through it. They've built nests in the cabinet, in the corners, in the back. Where the squirrel condo is going to go. I've given up. The squirrels are getting their own condo. I'm building them a condo inside the cabinet. I've made them furniture. Guys, I am so glad that Glowforge has given us these free plans so that we too can be friends with our terrorists. I mean, our neighbors. And we can find a way to coexist peacefully together. If you too wish to coexist with your neighbors, I recommend these Glowforge files. They're free if you're a Glowforge Prime user, and you too can have your own squirrel furniture. Go ahead, sign up for your Glowforge Prime account or your Fastlane account, and you can get free Glowforge dollhouse furniture. It's 1/12 scale. Went together pretty well with the MDF. A couple of the pieces wouldn't fit on the bottoms of the tables because it's the wrong size MDF. It's the wrong thickness. But it went together pretty well. I had to use the dead blow hammer to assemble most of the furniture. The chair needs a little bit of glue, but most just had to get pounded together. I'm guessing, like I said, I used some odd material that I had laying around. Other material would have worked better, but I think this is going to take paint well. And I'll throw some pictures up of the painted projects. I think this will take the paint well and will do pretty well for the squirrel condo. I think the furry friends will appreciate the hard work that we're putting into this, and that we'll be able to find a happy medium and a happy place here where we can all get along. That's what we want. We want peace. We want no more nuts in our power tools. We want no one else chewing through the power cords. I'm seeking peace and tranquility amongst our environment. So I'm signing off now with a request for peace or assistance in mass slaughter, whatever comes first. So guys, go out there, have fun, like, subscribe. Remember, go out and make something fun this weekend. Father's Day is coming up soon, or it's already passed. I'm not sure when this video is going to come out. And if the man of your life and the father of your life has an issue with furry people making a mess, perhaps if he makes some Glowforge furniture at 1/12 scale dollhouse furniture, he can too make peace with these squirrels in his life. Alright, go out and have some fun, make some smoke in those lasers, and be safe. Enjoy your weekend.
Alright, so I'm going to assume we've already discussed what this project is and why I'm doing it. Because it's kind of entertaining to me that I'm making this little project. And it's just for my own entertainment, it really is. These little creatures out there are just irritating the heck out of me. And it's become a bit of a joke around the farm and the house that they're out to get me and my tools. So here we go. Let's do this real quick. Now I did go ahead earlier and I created these MDF settings, which for the MDF that I'm working with is 185 is my speed, and I'm running this at full power. And I am running, I have to select a material. I always pick cherry thickness wood. I do the auto set focus on this, and I just let the laser focus itself. It's really not a big deal. I'm not taping this off. I'm going to just spray paint it or use it as is. Like I said, this is just a little fun project to entertain myself. This is some of that MDF rock board that I had picked up over the winter, and I got it for dirt cheap. I got a couple hundred boards, and I thought it would be fun. All right. So, and again, this is the free projects that we get with Glowforge. So, anyone who has the Fastlane can do this. And I'm hoping Fastlane is really fast, and it's just my internet that's this bad that makes it take this long. So 10 minutes 26 seconds is the runtime on this. Let's run this one through and see how it comes out. Even at my current speeds, I'm having a little bit of problem popping this stuff out, but I was also starting to smoke it quite a bit. So I might try punching the speed down a little bit more, but I also don't want to start a fire on my laser. So we'll see how this goes. I'm not sure if I'm going to hop on here and talk about each piece that I make. Probably not. I might show the cutting of all the pieces. So if you want to see a bunch of stuff getting cut out on the laser just because it's fun to watch, go ahead and stay and watch those. If not, this is probably the only talking part I'm going to do for this. Good luck, guys. I hope this project came out well. Remember, like, subscribe, and keep tuned, and we will keep doing some of these free projects and see how they come out. I think this is going to be cool and funny as heck. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy your day. Go have some fun, make some smoke on those lasers.